Well, good afternoon, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you. I hope everybody's having a great Monday out there so far. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay. In today's video, we're going to talk about the watches, warnings, and advisories. We're going to take a look at the weather radar across the nation. We're going to take a look at the Columbia Weather Radar here in Columbia, South Carolina, and also we're going to take a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook for day 1, 2, and 3. Okay, if you're a new subscriber, have not subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. Love to have you. Like these videos, share these videos, and thank you for supporting my channel to the ones that have subscribed to my channel. And the viewers who watches my channel that has not subscribed yet, thank you for watching as well. Alright, well, let's go ahead and get on into the forecast now. We got quiet conditions across the northeast, portions of the southeast. We got a tornado watch over southeast Alabama and southern Georgia and a few counties in northern Florida. We got a big winter storm fixing to take shape going into today and tomorrow from Nevada all the way through Colorado, Wyoming, also over here in North and South Dakota, also over into Minnesota and portions of Wisconsin. We have a blizzard warning in effect, winter storm watches in effect for this region here. Also we have winter storm warnings also in effect for Wyoming, Utah, portions of northern Nevada, and also portion of Oregon. We have high wind warning, a lot of fire weather issues from New Mexico to portions of Colorado, also in Kansas City, Oklahoma, and Texas. High wind warnings, like I said, also in effect for this region as well, from Texas through Arizona, Mexico, Arizona, and Utah. Also over in Southern California, got some wind advisories in Nevada and also portions of California and also much of Arizona as well. And also we have some frost advisories in portions of Northern California, and also winter weather advisories scattered through Montana to for Utah, Nevada, and also Washington and Oregon states, and also Idaho as well. We have some winter weather advisories also in portions of Alaska, and island chains of Hawaii looks quiet at this time with no advisories or watches or warnings there. Alright, we got a little bit of snow over southern Canada. We got a line of showers extending from portion of Michigan, the Great Lakes region, all the way back into portion of Iowa. Showers also over portion of Kentucky and also over into portion of Ohio. Shower and thunderstorms over portions of Tennessee, the Carolinas, also back into Georgia. This is where the tornado watch was in effect. We got a bow echo shower and thunderstorm activity continue to move to the east. So that's why the Storm Prediction Center has a slight risk for severe weather down here, and also that tornado watch is in effect for you guys. Also we have snow flying over portions of South Dakota all the way up into southern Canada, Montana, all the way back over to Utah, Nevada, Washington State, and Oregon State, and also portions of Wyoming as well. Southern Alaska, we've got some snow showers there. Alright, here's a look at the Columbia radar from Columbia, South Carolina. We got light amounts of precipitation falling, maybe some moderate rain, maybe from near Columbia back to Newberry toward the Greenville, Spartanburg area. We have more showers coming in toward the Augusta area, maybe a rumble of thunder and some of this as well. A lot of this here is just pretty much just ground clutter in a lighter blue, but in the darker green, that's where some light precipitation is falling. Okay, let's take a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook. This is for today. As you can see, we got general thunderstorms out west over portion of Oregon and Washington State. Also over here around Utah and also Colorado and southern Wyoming. Also some up here around the Ohio River Valley, up here around Illinois to Ohio. Also some general thunderstorms from the Outer Banks of North Carolina and eastern North Carolina through much of South Carolina. Also over here in portions of Arkansas and Texas, some general thunderstorm, marginal risk in central and eastern Texas. Also down here along the Gulf Coast. from portion of Mississippi through southern Alabama, all the way back over into northern Florida and southern Georgia. There's that little slight risk where that tornado watch is in effect. If you're in the marginal risk, this includes San Antonio, Texas, Dallas, Texas, Jacksonville, Florida, Austin, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas. The slight risk include Tallahassee, Florida, Albany, Georgia, Dalton, Alabama, Valdosta, Georgia, and Thomasville, Georgia. And the tornado probability for today, 2% in the green, 5% in the brown. This includes San Antonio, Texas, Dallas, Texas, Austin, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Arlington, Texas, Tallahassee, Florida, Dalton, Alabama, Thomasville, Georgia, Moultrie, Georgia, and Bainbridge, Georgia. This is 5% for you guys. The winds, we have 5% in brown, 15% in the area. Same areas I called out. Y'all in the area in the outlook area. 5% in the brown. Same area, San Antonio, Texas, all the way to Fort Worth, Texas, and also includes Jacksonville, Florida. Alright, let's take a look at day 2. This is everybody's talking about. General thunderstorms in the Outer Bank. Also, we got some general thunderstorms extending from New Mexico back into Colorado, and also back over to near Washington and Idaho states. Also, here's that big area here, extending through the middle portion of the country, from Texas all the way into the Great Lakes region, from Michigan, and also a portion of Wisconsin. The marginal risk is the darker green, slight risk is the yellow, enhanced risk is the yellow-orange, and also the moderate risk is the red. The moderate risk, this includes Cedar Rapids, Iowa, Davenport, Iowa, Waterloo, Iowa, Iowa City, Iowa, and Duluth, Iowa. And the enhanced risk is Del Monte, Iowa, Little Rock, Arkansas, Rockville, Illinois, Springfield, Illinois, Panera, Illinois. Slight risk is Chicago, Illinois, Kansas City, Missouri, Tuscaloosa, Oklahoma, St. Louis, Missouri, Madison, Wisconsin. And the marginal risk is Dallas, Texas, Indianapolis, Indiana, Memphis, Tennessee, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and Plano, Texas. And let's take a look at the tornado probability. We have 2% in the green, 5% in the brown, 15% in the red slashed area, 10% in the yellow slashed area. And the significant severe weather will be Little Rock, Arkansas, Cedar Rapids, Iowa, Davenport, Iowa, Fort Smith, Arkansas, and Waterloo, Iowa. And here's your other cities from 15 down to 2%. You're welcome to pause the video if you're in those locations. Alright, let's take a look at the wind reports. 5% in the brown, 15%, 30% in the red. Pretty much the same areas here. You're welcome to pause the video, find out if your location are included. Significant severe hail would be Kansas City, Missouri, Del Monte, Iowa, Oakland Park, Kansas, Springfield, Missouri, and Kansas City, Kansas. And the 30% to 5%, you're welcome to pause the video and find out if your locations are included. And let's go ahead and take a look at day 3. As we do have a slight risk over a portion of the Ohio Valley, we've got a large area of moderate risk extending from Texas, Louisiana, through Mississippi, Alabama, northern Georgia, through portions of upstate South Carolina, western North Carolina, all the way up into portions of New York, also back over here into Michigan. Slight risk in the yellow. This includes Michigan, Indiana, Ohio, portions of northern Kentucky, portions of Pennsylvania, and portions of New York. Let's take a look at the category here. Slight risk, this includes Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, Columbus, Ohio, Cleveland, Ohio, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. The marginal risk include Memphis, Tennessee, Nashville, Tennessee, Birmingham, Alabama, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and Grand Rapids, Michigan. And the probability, 5% in the brown, 15% in the yellow, and the significant severe weather would be in the slashed area there. This would include Detroit, Michigan, Columbus, Ohio, Cleveland, Ohio, Toledo, Ohio, and Buffalo, New York. 15% Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, Columbus, Ohio, Cleveland, Ohio, and Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And the 5% include Memphis, Tennessee, Nashville, Tennessee, Birmingham, Alabama, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and Grand Rapids, Michigan. Alrighty. Well, Well, I hope everybody enjoyed today's video. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well. Enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the like button, share button, and we'll catch you back in the next one.